Hello, my name is Ashley. I'm excited to be back in the class again. I am interning at a middle school behavior program. So the students that I work with, there's around 7 or 8 of them. They spend their time in one classroom. Most of them don't go to class at all with the general population of the school, mostly due to behaviors. Some is based on their education. Maybe they're lower in grade or reading. So they're in this program, and I go in 2 days a week. I spend about 30 minutes with each student one-on-one, and I also run a group each day that I go in, so 2 times a week for about an hour, where we work on things like social skills, appropriate behaviors, self-esteem, and a variety of other things. I also, since the holiday break, have started shadowing my supervisor. She works at the day program, which is connected to the school. These kids are kids that didn't do well in the general population or in the behavior room due to extreme behaviors. So these kids work over in a different building, and so I've been able to shadow her and really learn a lot about a variety of different behaviors coming from the kids, as well as how she does one-on-ones and group sessions with them. One of the things I've really enjoyed about this experience is really just the opportunity to experience social work. I don't have a background in social work, so this was a really good experience for me to sort of understand how you can do social work, the variety of types of social work there are. I found it really rewarding to grow and develop relationships with each of the students. You know, initially when I came in, maybe they didn't want to talk to me, maybe they wondered who I am, they thought I was strange, and now I feel like as I'm getting halfway through, we've really kind of developed sort of, you know, an ability to talk with one another, joke with one another, and that's been really rewarding. Something that I find challenging is just dealing with my own personal emotions. I think I can be very sensitive, and I've had a little bit of a difficult time leaving things that bother me or upsetting that I may learn at the school at home, and or excuse me, leaving them at school and not focusing on them once I get home. And I think in my career that's going to be a challenge for me and something that I'm going to need to learn to work on. Another thing that I have learned through my field experience is I think when I started, I lacked confidence, and it's something that I've really built on throughout my time in my internship. I think I'm starting to trust myself a little more, that I do have knowledge, that I do bring something positive to my internship. And I think each day that I go in, I learn something new. My supervisor's been wonderful with a variety of information, as well as the faculty I've worked with. So I think I've really been building on my self-confidence. Again, it's something that's still a work in progress, but I feel like I'm doing a good job building that. Looking forward to hearing from all of you and enjoying the rest of the semester.